Welcome back, YouTube. In this video we're going to be breaking new ground. We're going to be going over variables today. So in this video, it's going to be a very short video. We're going to learn how to declare and assign a value to a variable. So first step, int. Notice this is a keyword because it automatically turns blue if you haven't messed with the defaults of the program. There's 8 primitive types of variables in Java. And in this video we're going to be going over int, which is one of the 8 primitive variables. We're going to separate this by at least one space, and we're going to name our variable. I'm going to call mine x. There are several different naming conventions that you can't, there's naming rules that you can and cannot use. We're not going to go over those in this video. So we have essentially, we have declared the variable x exists in this program. Second step, we're going to assign it a value. X equals 3. And that is the first and second steps of this video. So finally, let's go ahead and display the value of x to the screen. And we have been learning how to do this for the first several videos. So I can go ahead and just say print line x. Let's see what happens. Notice it just runs 3 to the program. Alright, let's go ahead and say the value of x is, with a space, and I can't just have x right here, it throws an error. Notice if you highlight, see how there's a lot of red squigglies, it can tell you some of the problems. It expects a parenthesis, expects a, in this case these aren't helpful, it just needs a plus sign right here. Let's go ahead and run it, and the program just prints the value of x is 3. That's it. So the only thing new as far as strings go is that we can combine separate strings together. In this case, this isn't really a string, but it gets converted to a string as it gets handled to print here. But that's things that are running deeper in the program. We're not going to need to know exactly how it works as of yet. If you just want to print a variable, just separate it by a plus sign. And I can even add another string to this. I can put like just an exclamation mark at the end of it. And it's just a separate string. This can also be a separate character as long as... Alright, doesn't really matter. This is just a character instead of an entire string of characters. That's it for this video. The main thing to take away is we declared a variable, we assign it a value. And this is just the beginning. Thank you for watching, and we'll pick up where we left off in the next video.